Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial you will study about string literal with various example, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget. So let's start studying string literals with various examples. String literals or strings or simply Python strings are sequence of characters surrounded by quotes. Quotes may be single quote, double quote or triple quote. As you can see in this example, within single quote I am writing A, I am writing ABC in single quote, I am writing XYZ in double quote. All these are Python strings. In Java and C++, you were writing single character as char type, but here it is also string type. Single character जो आपका लिखा हुआ within single quote A, this was being considered earlier in some traditional languages as char type, character type, but here it is string. Either single character or multi character, all are strings written within single quote, double quote or triple quote. So single character string A and X, here A is written in single quote, X is written in double quote. Now multiple character string India written in single quote, India is my country written in triple quote. So this is in this side one quote is left, take care. So India is my country, balance ट्रिपल कोट में लिखा जाए या सिंगल कोट में लिखा जाए या डबल कोट में लिखा जाए, all are multi character strings. But here in triple quote is generally used for multi-line string. So here you can put double quote. India is my country can be kept in double quote. यहाँ triple हो गया, इसको आप ठीक कर लें, double quote कर लें. Some valid string literals are Anmol in single quote, Raman in double quote, Hello India in single quote, Mohans in double quote, this number in double quote. Any character, any sequence of character can be written within the string. You can see various examples. Now, whatever characters you can type through keyboard can be represented in the form of string by enclosing within single quote or double quote, and for multi-line string in triple quote. But those characters which have effect, but they are not printed on the screen, like you might have seen such characters, they are called as non-graphic characters. That means their effect can be seen, but they cannot be printed directly like A, B, C, D alphabet numerals you print on the screen. So those characters that cannot be typed directly from keyboard, like backspace, tab, carries return, that is enter, etc. These characters can be represented by using escape sequence. इनको escape sequence के साथ represent किया जाता है. escape sequence में एक character होता है called as backslash followed by a character. बैकस्लैश के साथ एक कैरेक्टर लिखा जाएगा, उसे हम कहते हैं escape sequence. बैकस्लैश न्यू लाइन, बैकस्लैश न्यू लाइन, आप यहाँ बैकस्लैश n भी लिखते हैं तो एक लाइन फीड हो जाता है, और बैकस्लैश न्यू लाइन. If you want to represent backslash itself, so backslash backslash. If you want to represent apostrophe symbol, then backslash apostrophe symbol will be written. This will be the part of string. लेकिन यहाँ पर backslash को count नहीं किया जाता है. Only one character, that is single quote, will be counted. Backslash is a supporting character, escape character. It escapes while counting the length of the string. उसे काउंट नहीं किया जाता है. बैकस्लैश डबल कोट कहीं लगाना है आपको विद इन द स्ट्रिंग, तो बैकस्लैश के साथ लगाएं डबल कोट. दिस इज अलर्ट बेल, समटाइम्स यू लिसन टू बीप साउंड, दैट इज अस्काई बेल. बैक स्पेस के लिए बैकस्लैश बी, एंड फॉर्म फीड के लिए वेन एवर यू वांट टू लीव वन full page forward, suppose you are printing through printer and that one page should be carried forward, I mean should be skipped, so for that print command में आप backslash f लगा सकते हैं. लाइन फीड, एक नई लाइन पर जाने के लिए कर्सर को \n, एंटर प्रेस करने के लिए \r, टैब स्पेसिंग के लिए हॉरिजॉन्टल टैब स्पेसिंग के लिए \t, वर्टिकल टैब स्पेसिंग के लिए \b, and for writing any octal value \o, then the value. Character, if you want to write any character in hexadecimal value, so \x, then hexadecimal value. So these are all escape sequences. Here, if any character is with backslash, then the length of that character is counted as 1. Backslash is never counted. So this is what escape sequence. नॉन ग्राफिक कैरेक्टर्स के लिए होता है एस्केप सीक्वेंस. देन स्ट्रिंग टाइप्स इन पाइथन. पाइथन में दो तरह की स्ट्रिंग्स होती हैं, एक तो सिंगल लाइन स्ट्रिंग एंड मल्टी लाइन स्ट्रिंग. सिंगल लाइन स्ट्रिंग कैन बी रिटन इन सिंगल कोट, विद इन सिंगल कोट, enclosed within single quote, and or double quote. Whatever you write within single quote or double quote can be called a single line string. It should terminate in one line itself. एक ही लाइन में से टर्मिनेट हो जाना चाहिए, एंड हो जाना चाहिए इस स्ट्रिंग का. ऐसे केस में अगर आप दूसरी लाइन पर जाने की कोशिश करेंगे टर्मिनेट करके, तो और सिंगल कोट जो क्लोज करेंगे, इफ यू वांट टू क्लोज इट इन नेक्स्ट लाइन, so it will display error. You can see this is str1, India is my country, within single quote, or you can write within double quote. This is what single line string. Here through example, str1 equal to India is my country, this is stored, there is no error. But as soon as we write str2 equal to India within single quote and want to press enter to go to next line for multi-line string using single quote, so it will display error end of line while scanning string literal. तो यहाँ पर आप जब तक सिंगल कोट एक ही लाइन में क्लोज कर सकते हैं, डायरेक्ट एंटर प्रेस करके you cannot go to new line and there you want to write some more character and then want to close this single quote, so that is not possible. For that it will return error. Next is multi-line string. When a long text is spread over multiple line, it is called multi-line strings. Multi-line strings can be created in two ways. Number one, by adding a backslash at the end of normal string. सिंगल कोटेड या डबल कोटेड स्ट्रिंग के एंड में आप ये बैक स्लैश लगा दें, देन मल्टी लाइन स्ट्रिंग इज क्रिएटेड. लाइक इंडिया बैकस्लैश, we are writing within single quote India, then backslash is backslash my backslash. As soon as we put backslash, we are not having error. Python interpreter automatically understand that user is going to write, extend this string into multiple lines. तो ये मल्टीपल लाइन में आ जाता है. अगेन बैकस्लैश माई स्पेस बैकस्लैश country, then inverted comma close. So this is one string str1 spread over multiple line. As soon as we print it, we get India is my country like this. So because that is one string itself. Here, if the same thing is written within double quote also, there is no error, and the same string is created in the memory, and the same string India is my country is printed. This is one type of multi-line string. Another type of multi-line string is written within triple quote start, triple quote close, or double quote का triple times, double quote triple times, then string, then double quote triple times. इस तरह से आप डबल कोट या सिंगल कोट में ट्रिपल टाइम्स प्रिंट करके ट्रिपल कोटेशन मार्क यू कैन से उसके अंदर आप स्ट्रिंग्स लिख सकते हैं. बट here backslash is not required. Remember, at the end of the line, backslash is not required while you are going to jump to new line. For example, triple quote hello, press enter, India comma, press enter, you are really great. So as soon as this is displayed here, you can see backslash n character is being displayed. ओके, बैकस्लैश एन कैरेक्टर जहां जहां आपने एंटर प्रेस किया था ऑटोमेटिकली ये एस्केप कैरेक्टर आ गया बैकस्लैश एन. बट सपोज आई राइट दिस स्ट्रिंग directly in Python. So if I write here, suppose str1 is equal to triple quote hello, hello, enter world, triple quote close. Then if I print str1, what will happen? str1 को आप print करेंगे, so it is being displayed in multiple lines and without backslash n. बैकस्लैश n तब आता है जब वो डायरेक्ट प्रिंट कर देते हैं आप। यहाँ पर आप देखें, here you were printing it directly on prompt, you were storing, not storing in anything, just writing and pressing enter. So it was having this special escape sequence backslash n wherever you have press enter key. So like that, and if I see it practically here, we can see that we have stored in the variable str1 triple quoted string, then spread over in multiple lines. After pressing enter at the end, there is no requirement of backspace, backslash you can say. तो प्रिंट करने के बाद आपका ये मल्टी लाइन स्ट्रिंग यहाँ पर ऐसे डिस्प्ले हो रहा है. द सेम कैन बी डन इन ट्रिपल डबल कोट्स ऑल्सो. Then let's go back to the topic. So this is how we can print triple quote, I mean this multi-line string and single line string. So multi-line string can be printed in two ways. If you are using single quote, so backslash should be there at the end while terminating the line. डबल कोट में लिख रहे हैं तब भी आपका बैक स्लैश पर एंडिंग करनी है while terminating the line. But while writing the string in triple quote, the second way, so no need to write backslash at the end, just press enter. Okay, now how the sizes of the string can be measured. Size of string, Python calculates the size of string as number of characters within the string. कितने कैरेक्टर हैं स्ट्रिंग में उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो साइज मेजर करता है. As I told you that escape sequences are not counted, they are counted as one character, they are not counted as two characters. So you should remember it. String India has its size 5 because there are 5 characters 1 2 3 4 5. And hello India, this has size 11. इसको काउंट करेंगे, इसमें space is also counted because that is also a character. So with one space it is going to give 11. If out string has some escape sequence, it is not out, it is our. If our string has some escape sequence character within it, अगर string में कोई escape sequence character है, so escape sequence is counted as one character, उसको one character गिना जाएगा. जैसे यहाँ पर आप len means it finds the length of the string in the form of number of characters. तो यहाँ आप देखें ये बैकस्लैश 2 times लिखा हुआ है, but it will be counted one. This one backslash is the character, this is the supporting escape character, so it will be counted as one. Here length of the string is obviously a b c, that is having 3 characters, there is no escape sequence. Here is a escape sequence backslash a audible bell के लिए होता है, so this will be counted one character and b is second character. In this string you can say Ram's pen, so 1 2 3, then apostrophe comma, this backslash apostrophe will be counted one character because apostrophe cannot be written directly within the string. Like this is a escape sequence backslash single quote Ram's pen, so it is having 9 character 1 2 3, and this one complete is 4 5 space 6 7 8 9. Len of Rams 1 2 3 4 5. So here are 5 characters. यहाँ हमने बैक स्लैश नहीं लगाया है, इसे डबल कोट में लिखेंगे, इसे सिंगल कोट में ऐसा नहीं लिख सकते बिकॉज if the single quote is a part of a string, so that can be written within double quotes. If you want to write it in single quote only, then you have to go for writing the escape sequence backslash then single quote. Right, so this is how we can calculate the length of the string and find out how many characters are there within the string. Here I wanted to show you that escape sequences are counted as one character. Now for multiple line string created with triple quote, how length is counted? Case 1. If line is terminated with enter key, अगर लाइन के एंड में आपने एंटर की प्रेस किया, जैसे हम EOL कैरेक्टर कहते हैं, एंड ऑफ लाइन कैरेक्टर जो बैकस्लैश n से अपीयर हो रहा था, is counted in length. So end of line character is also counted in length. तो उसे भी काउंट करता है. जैसे यहाँ पर आप देखें इन ट्रिपल सिंगल कोट ए, देन यहाँ पर आपने एंटर प्रेस किया होगा, बी आ गया, यहाँ एंटर प्रेस किया होगा, सी आ गया, यहाँ ट्रिपल कोट लगा दिया. सो ए देन एंटर की 2, बी एंटर की 4, C 5, and whenever we print str3 we are getting ABC in 3 different lines, and its length of str3 is giving 5 because A then enter key 2 हो गया, B then enter key 4 हो गया, then C. So that is why the length of such string is 5. So that is what I wanted to tell you. In first case, if line is terminated with enter key, so that enter key character is also counted in the length. Fine. In case of multi-line string. Case 2, for multi-line string, I was using backslash at the end of the intermediate lines are not counted in this size. So backslashes are not counted. Like str2 equal to triple quote he backslash he backslash double L backslash o. I wanted to write hello. So this is not appearing in multiple line, but after printing it is appearing in single line. The content is appearing in single line, but this backslash is not being counted. There are 5 characters in hello, HELLO, 5 characters. So length of str2 is being displayed as 5, and this backslash is not counted as a character because in triple quote, as I told you, that backslash at the end of the intermediate line is not counted. Enter key is counted. Pressing enter key is counted. All right. So either you do this thing within single quote or double quote in case of multi-line string. So the same thing will happen. Now here in str3 you can see in single quote A slash B slash C slash, I mean C single quote close. So this is your single line, single within single quote you are writing. That means it is single line string, not a multi-line string, but trying to write in multiple lines. So for multi-line strings created with single or double quote and backslash character at the end of line is not counted. Here also backslash will not be counted. Length will be 3 only. Otherwise ये हो जाती है आपकी 1 2 3 4 5 हो जाती, बट 5 नहीं होगी. सिंगल कोट या डबल कोट में बैकस्लैश लाइन के एंड में लगाया जाए तो वो बैकस्लैश काउंट नहीं होता है. ट्रिपल कोट में आपका बैकस्लैश काउंट होता है. ट्रिपल कोटेड स्ट्रिंग में एंटर की काउंट होती है. ट्रिपल कोटेड स्ट्रिंग में मल्टीलाइन में बैकस्लैश काउंट नहीं होता है. ट्रिपल कोटेड मल्टीलाइन स्ट्रिंग में बैकस्लैश इज नॉट काउंटेड. ट्रिपल कोट multi-line string pressing enter key at the end of each line is counted. Single quote or double quote backslash at the end of each line is never counted. So these are the qualities of strings. Its handling will be done in coming videos. Please like, share and subscribe if you have understood the topic, and keep on watching my YouTube channel and subscribe it, and refer to your friends also of class 11 so that they can also get benefit of these videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you.